Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. إن ثمود. You have to make sure that you do not pronounce the alif that has the circle. Make sure that you make note of that. You do not say ثمود, but ثمود. إن ثمود. The next example. وملأ. Oops, I made a mistake and I did it on purpose. So be careful. Say وملئه. وملئه. The next example. لتتلو. The next example is لكن لشيء لن ندعو. وأولو الأرحام أولئك. ولأصلبنكم. الصلاة. الزكاة. الحياة. لإلى الله مأوى. نجوى. Aren't we cruising at such a nice speed? Yes, we are, because we are coming close to the end of our course. And guys, weren't we having so much fun? I'm sure we all had so much fun. So let's not wait until we are completely done. So continue and let's finish what we have to offer. حسنى موسى عيسى. Well, guess what? We have almost come towards the end of our course where we are teaching you how to write in Arabic. And one more extra bonus for you, that along our way, not only did you learn how to write in Arabic, but also you have been learning how to write the Quran as well. What a beautiful blessing that is. MashaAllah. I'm so excited. Are you? Well, let me show you how to write one of the few last words before I leave you, inshaAllah. So let's start with the first word. I grab my board and I grab my marker. Let's start. Our first word for this lesson is inna. So inna has the alif. You write alif and the kasra. I. Then you write the na, and the tashdid and the fatha. I. Inna. Then we go to the next word, the tha. We write the tha and the ma and we write the wa. And then you have the u. And then the sukoon. And you have the with the fatha. And you have a alif which is standing by itself. Its job is just to stand. And we make a small circle like that to indicate that you do not recite it. So, inna thamuda. Now, it's your turn, and I've not been telling you because I know that you have your pen and paper so far. So, let's write together. We start with the alif, with the kasra, and the noon, and the tajdeed, with the fatha. You just made inna. And we write the thamoon with the meme and the wa. 3 dots. And you have the fatha, you have the dhamma, and you have the sukoon, the da with the fatha, the alif, and you have the circle. MashaAllah. You just finished writing the first word for our lesson. Let me now show you the second word for our lesson, which is litatluwa. So we start with the li with the kasra, and I help you write the ta with the fatha. The second ta is sakin, that means it has a sukoon. So li, tat, then the la and the wa. The la has the u sound, so it becomes lu. The wa has a fatha, wa, litatlu, wa. Again, it has a standing alif by itself. Put a circle on it. That denotes that you do not have to recite it. I'm sure you got it, but I have to make sure that you write with me. Take your pen now. Write la. Put a kasra, it becomes li. The ta and the ta. Put the 2 dots, the fatha and the sukoon, it becomes litat. Then you write the la with the dhamma, that becomes litatlu. And then you take the wa and you write the fatha, litatluwa. Write the standing alif by itself with a circle, and guess what? You're done. But there's one more word. Don't expect that I'm going to tell you. It's your turn to try that on your own, and I know that you'll do a very good job. Insha'Allah. Well, whenever we want to say that we will do something, we should always say Insha'Allah, because it is by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only. And this Insha'Allah is again in Arabic. Let's go and learn Arabic with actions. Alladhi, who. Alladhina means those. Alladhi, who. Alladhina, those. Alladhi, who. Alladhina, those. Alladhi means who. Alladhina means those. Alladhi means who. Alladhina means those. Repeat after me in Arabic. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Again. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Again. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Last time. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Excellent. Now repeat with me slowly. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Alladhi, alladhina. Last time. Alladhi, alladhina. MashaAllah, that was wonderful. Let's practice what we have learned so far. Hada means this. Ha'ula'i means these. Dhalika means that. Ula'ika means those. Alladhi, who. Alladhina means those. هذا means this, هؤلاء means these, ذلك means that, أولئك means those, الذي means who, الذين means those. Now it is your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic only. هذا هؤلاء, هذا هؤلاء, ذلك أولئك, ذلك أولئك, الذي الذين, الذي الذين. Again, هذا هؤلاء, هذا هؤلاء, ذلك أولئك, ذلك أولئك, الذي الذين, الذي الذين، هذا هؤلاء، هذا هؤلاء، ذلك أولئك، ذلك أولئك، الذي الذين، الذي الذين. MashaAllah, that's fantastic. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.